Today I am reviewing Skytech Azure 3 Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming desktop that effortlessly handles the latest AAA titles, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 is a powerhouse designed to redefine your gaming and creative experience. Outfitted with the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, this desktop delivers a base clock of 2.1 GHz and turbo boost speeds up to an impressive 5.3 GHz, making it perfect for both intensive gaming and multitasking workloads. Whether you're streaming, rendering videos, or playing competitive shooters, the Azure 3 provides consistent, reliable performance without compromise. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T 16GB GDDR5 graphics card, this system ensures stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and ultra-realistic graphics. With the power of this GPU, you can easily run titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, Overwatch 2, Apex Legends, and League of Legends at ultra settings in full 1080p HD resolution. The combination of the Intel i7 CPU and RTX 5060T makes this rig an ideal choice for gamers who demand high performance and immersive visuals. One of the standout features of the Azure 3 is its 32GB DDR5 RAM with 6000 MHz speeds, providing lightning-fast memory access for gaming, streaming, and content creation. This is complemented by a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which offers storage that is up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs. Loading times are minimal, application launches are near instant, and multitasking between games, software, and media is effortless. Cooling is always a critical aspect for high-end gaming PCs, and the Azure 3 excels here with a 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler. This system keeps the CPU temperatures low, even during long, intensive gaming sessions, ensuring no thermal throttling and maintaining maximum performance at all times. The ARGB fans not only provide efficient cooling but also add a visually striking element to your setup with customizable lighting. The Skytech Azure gaming case features tempered glass and a sleek black design, making it both stylish and functional. The case ensures excellent airflow, with unrestricted hardware space for upgrades, while the cable management is clean and user-friendly. For connectivity, you get USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC, and Ethernet support, ensuring you stay connected with minimal latency, whether gaming online or streaming content. Skytech also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, giving you everything you need to start gaming right out of the box. This pre-built system is assembled in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime technical support, providing peace of mind alongside top-tier performance. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC is designed for gamers and creators who refuse to settle for anything less than excellence. With the latest Intel i7 CPU, RTX 5060T graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, this desktop delivers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and future-proof technology that will handle today's and tomorrow's gaming titles with ease. Whether you are a competitive gamer, content creator, or enthusiast looking for a robust all-around system, the Azure 3 offers unmatched power, speed, and reliability. If you want a gaming PC that combines premium components, extreme performance, and a sleek, modern design, the Skytech Azure 3 is undoubtedly one of the best options available today. This system will keep you ahead of the competition, and with its thoughtful build and high-quality components, it's a desktop designed to last for years while delivering top-tier gaming experiences every time you power it on.